Felix! Garfield! Sergeant Friskies? It's me, Mr. Freckles 5001! Friskies! Oh, unhand him, you bloody canine! Unhand him, you bloody canine! Do you work for the FBI, the CIA, NASA, the internet?
I'm a celestial cat. The future is imminent. Everyone will work in retail stores and Starbucks will be a master. Woo! A master. Woo! Retail stores and Starbucks will be a master. Woo!
But those are all lies!
You're such a hipster.
No! Sergeant Frisky?
Oh.
Oh. Why must the Southern Baptist die first? Oh! Damn you, cyborg dogs! Oh, Yamix, Yamix. Oh. Purina! Swimmer! Jim Davis! I don't need your science diet, you purebred pedigree! Stop your crying, you sniveling ass! Stop your nonsense! You're nothing but the afterbirth, Eli! That's right. Run, coward! Run to the farthest depths of the earth! For this victory goes to the robot cats! Success! Success for the robot cats! Oh, to the fish and love the high catnip! 5,000 years of success! Success for the robot cats! Ha ha! Josephine! Squirrel killer! Tiger Pup! Fatty! I love you, baby, and if it feels alright, I need you, baby, to warm the lonely nights. Oh, pretty baby, trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby, don't let me down, I pray. Oh, pretty baby, now that I found you, stay, and let me love you, baby, let me love. Felix! Garfield! Get in chops! Sergeant Friskies! It's me! Mr. Freckles 5001! Friskies! Unhand him, you bloody canine! Do you work for the FBI? The CIA? NASA? The internet? Those are all lies! No! Sergeant Friskies? Oh, why must the Southern Baptists die first? Damn you, cyborg dogs! Oh, Yabbits. Oh my God, Yabbits. Dorina! Swimmer! Jim Davis! I don't need your science diet, you purebred Purina! Stop your crying! You sniveling ass, stop your nonsense! You're nothing but the afterbirth, Eli! That's right, coward! Run! Run to the farthest depths of the earth, for this victory goes to the robot cats! Success! Success for the robot cats! Oh, to the fish and love the high catnip. 5,000 years of success! Success for the robot cats! Ha ha!